could join us today, and I have special guests with us. And today, we're going to be putting an egg inside of this bottle. Alright, so let's talk about the materials that we're going to need today. We're going to need some hard-boiled eggs. You need a glass jar. Please make sure that it is glass and not plastic. Plastic will melt when we're dealing with fire. So a jar this size or a glass coffee bottle is perfectly fine, or if you have a glass milk jug, any of those things work perfectly fine. You need some matches or a lighter. You need a piece of paper, and you need some sort of cooking oil spray. If you don't have a spray, that's fine. You may just take a little bit of olive oil and drizzle it on top of your eggs today.
Safety first.
That's right. We definitely need to make sure that we are safe today because we're going to be dealing with fire. So before we get started with our experiment, please make sure that you have adult supervision today. Alright, so before we get started, we want to go ahead and take our cooking spray or olive oil, and we want to spray the hard-boiled eggs just a little bit to make it helps them get a little slippery and slide into the bottle a little bit better. Okay, you want some help?
Yes.
Okay. Here. Oh, almost here. Here we go. Very good. All right, put this off to the side. Okay, Carter, you want to go ahead and select which egg you want to use today?
Lucky day.
Lucky day. Pick an egg. All right. So we're going to use that one. So hold on to that for just a second. We're going to take our piece of paper. You just want to kind of tear it in half. You just need a strip of it. You don't need the whole piece. If you have an index card or a piece of construction paper, that is fine too. Whatever works good for you is fine for me. So what you want to do is you put your glass bottle right in front of you. You're going to light your paper and you're going to drop it into the glass bottle. Right when you drop it in, you want to make sure that you put your egg right on the top. Alright, so let's get ready to light the matches. Again,
Wait,
make sure.
can you do an egg thing after you drop your paper in, because I'm kind of scared.
Yes, I can help you with the egg thing, absolutely. Alright, so we're going to light it up. Again, please make sure that you have adult supervision for the usage of matches and fire. Alright. Okay, we're going to drop the paper down in and stick the egg on the top. We're going to wait and see what happens. This part may take a little bit, so please be patient as you wait for the egg to fall into the bottle. Alright, you see it? It's kind of slowly starting to fit into the bottle, sinking in a little bit at a time.
It's kind of smoky in there.
It is smoky, that's from
It's
the
like
fire.
froggy, but like in a glass.
Exactly. It's like we have a big cloud in there or something. See the egg, it's coming in a little bit more, a little bit more. And again, we just need to be patient while this happens. It's not like an instantaneous
Look.
process.
Go and just get in the bottle.
That's right, it doesn't work quite that way, but it is slowly sliding in.
Oh yeah.
Just a heads up, it could be a little bit messy when it goes into the bottle, so just fair warning. Slowly but surely.
Oh yes, it's gonna move like an inch.
Yes, just a little bit at a time. It's moving in. Alright, so as you can see, the egg is making progress as it's heading down in the bottle. You can also see it's kind of making a mess around the table. It's kind of shaving off a little bit of the outside of the egg as it's trying to squeeze its way into the bottle. So again, we just need a little more patience as the egg heads into the bottle. Alright, the egg is still making progress. You can see it's traveling farther and farther down into the bottle. You can also see it's kind of still making a little bit of mess around the outside of the bottle. So again, please be a little more patient as the egg is still traveling into the bottle. Again, this time can vary depending on the size of your bottle and the egg that you are using. we have just a little bit more to do. I would say within the next 30 seconds to a minute, I would say that the egg is going to go all the way into the bottle. Oh, here it goes. Maybe I misspoke. It's sliding some more.
Oh yeah.
There it goes, slowly but surely into the bottle. Maybe we still need to wait some more.
Slowly.
Slowly but surely, right?
Patient, patient, patient.
That's right, we definitely had to be patient for this one today. What do you think?
Yeah, I think it's good.
You think it's good? I think so too. I hope it keeps moving.
Yeah.
It's moving slowly. It's almost past the neck of the bottle, so hopefully it'll go in pretty
Is this
soon.
the neck?
Yep, this little short top part here is called the neck of the bottle.
This is the neck of the neck. That.
Yes. All right, success. The egg is successfully into the bottle now. So what do we need to do now? We
Talk
need to
about the science behind it.
That's right, we sure do. All right, so let's talk about the science behind it. So what happens is you have your lit piece of paper and you put it into the bottle. All fire needs oxygen to burn. Well, when you put the egg on top of the bottle, it creates only a certain amount of oxygen into the glass bottle. Once all the oxygen is used up, the fire goes out and it creates a vacuum on the inside, which creates the suction, which pulls the egg down into the bottle. Thank you so much for joining us today. I hope you enjoyed the egg in the bottle experiment. I am the Quarantine Science Mom with special guest.
I'm always at Lab Carter.
We hope that you had a wonderful time today. Please don't forget to subscribe